Let's talk about flying. For decades, it's been the same. Big metal tubes, roaring engines, and a journey that feels more evolutionary than revolutionary. Planes have gotten bigger, a bit more comfortable, but the core idea hasn't changed. The jet engine has improved slowly, quieter, more efficient, but never truly different. We've been waiting for a leap, not just a nudge. It's like driving the same car for years, just with a new stereo now and then. We expect new planes to look like the old ones, just with fancier wingtips. The noise, the fuel costs, the environmental impact, we've accepted it as part of the deal. But behind the scenes, innovation has been brewing. The industry is desperate for change. Airlines want lower fuel bills, passengers want less noise, and everyone wants a greener planet. The pressure has been building, setting the stage for a breakthrough. The engines are the heart of any aircraft, and until now, its biggest compromise. What if that could all change? The world needed a hero to deliver not just a better engine, but a new way of thinking about propulsion. And as it turns out, a very famous name was about to answer that call. Enter Rolls-Royce. The moment for aviation's revolution had finally arrived. The old ways are done. The future is about to take off. Here it is, the Rolls-Royce UltraFan. Not just another engine, but a complete rethink of what a jet engine can be. It's the biggest jet engine in the world, with a fan 140 inches across. You could park a small car inside it. This is a statement. The game has changed. For years, efficiency meant bigger fans and smaller cores, a high bypass ratio. The UltraFan pushes this to the limit, moving more air, more quietly, more efficiently. It's not a concept, it's real, tested, and runs on 100% sustainable aviation fuel. Rolls-Royce has bet big, and the industry is watching. The UltraFan isn't just an engine, it's a challenge to everyone else. Developing it took billions and over a decade of relentless work. The ambition is staggering. This is Rolls-Royce's moon landing, their Concorde moment. The UltraFan is ready to start a revolution from the runway up. The future of flight just got a lot more interesting. The bar has been raised. The UltraFan is here. Stand on the tarmac next to an old engine and the UltraFan, and the difference is obvious. The UltraFan's fan is massive, made from carbon titanium composite, strong, light, and aerodynamic. It moves a colossal amount of air, generating thrust efficiently and quietly. Inside, the real magic happens. Traditional engines connect all parts directly, forcing compromises. The UltraFan uses a power gearbox, letting the fan spin slow and the turbines spin fast, each at their optimal speed. This simple idea, executed brilliantly, means a huge leap in efficiency. The UltraFan burns much less fuel for the same thrust. It's dramatically quieter, both inside and outside the plane. Bigger, but lighter where it counts. More complex inside, but simpler to operate efficiently. It's a paradigm shift from brute force to smart, efficient power. The UltraFan is the future of jet propulsion. Old engines are relics. This is the new standard. Welcome to the next era of flight. Let's get nerdy. What makes the UltraFan tick? The fan blades are carbon fiber reinforced polymer with titanium edges. Light, tough, and huge. This allows for bigger blades without the weight penalty, unlocking massive efficiency. The power gearbox is a planetary marvel, handling the force of hundreds of cars, running reliably for thousands of hours. It enables a bypass ratio over 15 to 1. 15 parts of air bypass the core for everyone that goes through. Inside the core, Rolls-Royce uses ceramic matrix composites, lighter than metal, withstanding over 1,000 degrees C. Hotter cores mean more efficient fuel burn and lower emissions. The engine is packed with thousands of sensors, creating a digital twin that predicts maintenance needs before problems arise. It's a smart engine for a smart era. Every innovation, composite blades, advanced gearbox, ceramic core, digital brain, adds up to a masterpiece. The UltraFan is more than the sum of its parts. It's the most advanced jet engine ever built. This is engineering at its boldest. The future of flight is here, and it's brilliant. UltraFan sets a new benchmark. What What does all this mean for airlines and passengers? One word: efficiency. The UltraFan is 25% more fuel efficient than the first Rolls-Royce Trent engines. For airlines, that's billions saved every year. Less fuel means lower costs, more profit, and potentially cheaper tickets. Maintenance is easier and less frequent thanks to smart design and predictive tech. More time in the air, less time in the hangar. The UltraFan is also much quieter. Good news for airport neighbors and passengers alike. Imagine a calmer, more peaceful flight. Less noise, less stress, more comfort. Airlines win, passengers win, the planet wins. This is a game changer for everyone. The UltraFan delivers real-world benefits, not just engineering marvels. Picture two flights from London to Singapore. One uses old engines, loud, thirsty, and heavy. The other, powered by UltraFans, is quieter, lighter, and burns a quarter less fuel. The difference is immediate: less noise at takeoff, a lighter fuel load, and a more profitable flight for the airline. Passengers enjoy a calmer cabin, normal conversations, and a more relaxing journey. The environmental footprint is smaller, with fewer emissions per passenger. This isn't just a better flight, it's smarter, cleaner, and more economical. The UltraFan transforms the experience for everyone. Old engines are history. This is the future. The UltraFan difference is clear. Welcome to a new era of air travel. Aviation's environmental challenge is huge, but the UltraFan is a major step forward. Its 25% fuel efficiency means 25% less CO2 per flight. That's a massive reduction, helping airlines hit tough climate targets. The engine also cuts other pollutants, improving air quality around airports. UltraFan is ready for 100% sustainable aviation fuel, slashing life cycle emissions by up to 80%. As SAF becomes more available, the benefits multiply. This engine is a bridge to net zero aviation. It's not just about today, it's about a sustainable future. UltraFan is the real-world solution aviation needs. Cleaner, greener, and ready for what's next. The path to responsible air travel starts here. The UltraFan isn't just one engine, it's a platform for the future. Its technology can scale down for smaller planes, bringing efficiency to the busiest routes. Designers can now dream bigger, longer ranges, more passengers, radical new shapes. Lighter engines mean sleeker, more aerodynamic aircraft. Blended wing bodies and futuristic designs are now possible. The UltraFan's core could even adapt to hydrogen or hybrid electric power. Rolls-Royce is building a foundation for the next 50 years of flight. More power, less weight, lower fuel burn, the holy grail for aviation. The UltraFan frees designers to innovate. Tomorrow's planes will be quieter, more comfortable, and more capable. The revolution in aircraft design starts now. What does this mean for us? The future of flying is about to get a whole lot better. The UltraFan marks a new era, efficient, sustainable, and smart. Flying will be quieter, greener, and more accessible. Airlines could offer cheaper tickets and new direct routes. The UltraFan shrinks the globe and the fuel bill. It's proof that revolutionary change is possible, even in established industries. The UltraFan is a beacon of hope and innovation. It's a reminder that human ingenuity can solve big challenges. Soon, the familiar roar of engines may be replaced by a refined hum, the sound of progress. This revolution started in Derby, England, and is set to change how we all fly. The future of aviation is here, powered by Rolls-Royce. What a time to be alive! The sky's the limit.